Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. I did keep my Boxycharm. They did raise the price on this as well. It used to be $21 a month and now it is $25 a month plus tax, which came out to 26 something. But yeah, I did open this box. I just got it in the mail yesterday. I did open this box. I already know what's in here. I'm just going to share with you guys the products that I received for this month's Boxycharm. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. Again, this box does retail for $25 now. It used to retail for $21, and I guess the reason why is that they're going to start including complexion products like foundations and possibly concealers as well, I believe. And this month's theme is Stellar. And I got the variation number 20, I guess. I didn't know they had that many variations. I was able to kind of pick one of the products that I was going to receive in my box, and I did go ahead and do that. And the products that I picked out from last month to receive in this box was this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and there was also like a serum that you could pick between the two, but I went with the eye treatment just because I don't know, I knew that I would be able to use it. But then I kind of, after I requested to receive this, I saw a different Boxycharm video, like the spoilers, and they said that serum was like super expensive, and I kind of regretted like getting this. But this product right here, it retails for $50. So already with this product, I got what I paid for this box plus more, $50 for this. Oh my gosh, this is an expensive eye cream. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. I wonder if it's $50 worth to me. So have you guys tried this out? What do you guys think about this product? Next up in here is I received this 2-piece brush, which is it's a brush set. It was created by Boxycharm. So it's a powder brush for liquid creams and powders. And then there's a foundation brush. So let's see. Here is what these look like. These have some weight to them, which is nice. So hopefully I don't like bob my head with these. But so one is supposed to be a foundation brush and the other one's supposed to be a powder brush. And they feel pretty soft, to be honest. And they do, again, have some weight to them. They don't feel cheap or anything. These brushes retail for $35. Wow. Okay, yeah, I've never tried these kinds of brushes before. What do you guys think of these brushes that they included them in this box? I don't know. It's alright. Next up, they did include a Becca 24-hour foundation like sample. And this is an ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation. This one comes with cashmere, shell, and linen. So have I tried this foundation? I don't think I have. I don't think I've tried this foundation, but they included this sample, which is alright. Next up, I received 2 of these Vitamin masks. Morning Goggle, I think, because it doesn't have 2 O's. Goggle eye masks. So this one's supposed to brighten and protect, and this one's supposed to repair and relax. I have super dark circles. Like, I don't really get enough sleep. I go to bed super late and then have to wake up early the next day for work. Even on the weekends, like, I stay up late. I do sleep in a little bit, but most of the time my dark circles are always present, so these will be nice. And the morning mask is a cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff, infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protections. This eye mask is ideal for those on the go. And then the evening eye mask is an ultra relaxing eye mask that is made to aid in repairing the delicate eye area and to smooth fine lines. Made with centella and hyaluronic acid, this mask is perfect companion to your nightly routine. So definitely will be trying these out. I do once in a while do masks, eye masks. I don't do them very often, to be honest, but I will definitely check these out. Next up, I did receive the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Flirty. This does retail for $18. I forgot to mention that the masks do retail for $12. And again, I got my Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Flirty. I kind of wish I would have gotten a different shade, like a more red or like a vampy color. I don't really wear like nude kind of lipsticks for everyday use. I just find that it kind of looks really drying on the lips. I did find that like light colored liquid lipsticks, I kind of just apply it in the center part of my lip and kind of dab it out, and it kind of just creates like a blurred effect, which I did enjoy, and it kind of looks like a blur lipstick, which is nice. So this one is in the shade Flirty, a pale pink nude. I'm gonna try it out and see what I think of that. I do like the Dose of Colors formula. I think it's nice and comfortable. Again, I do wish it was like a red or a vampy shade or something different than like this color. I don't really reach for a lot of these kinds of shades, but it's a nice value added to my box. And then the last product I received was this Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. I love the size of this. I think it's really sleek and compact, perfect for traveling. It has beautiful colors. It comes like with a mirror, and then these are the shades that you get in this palette. I actually have the full size, which is Celestial Storm. This is Celestial Thunder, probably just because Thunder is not as big as Celestial Storm. But I have the full size, so here is what mine looks like. You don't get these 3 shades right here, and one of these shades, I think it's Solstice. Let me check. Yep, it's Solstice. So these 3, the 2 purples, this bluish Stargaze shade, and then you don't get Solstice, but all the other shades you do get in the smaller palette. I thought about just keeping this one until I looked at this and I saw that I had purple, so I'm definitely keeping my big one. I'm definitely not going to swatch this just because I'm not going to keep it. I shouldn't keep it. There's no reason for me to have 2 of the same thing. So I am going to save this for a future giveaway, or probably include it in like my holiday giveaway. So if you guys are interested in maybe possibly winning this palette, definitely subscribe to my channel and keep up with me so you guys can enter my future giveaway that I will be including this palette in. I love the Dominique Cosmetics formula. I have this one. Again, I have the Celestial Storm, and I also have the Latte palette. I love both of them. I love the color scheme in this palette, and I just think it's definitely worth picking up a palette if you're eyeing it. If you're like eyeing Dominique Cosmetics, you should definitely try one out. You will not be disappointed. The matte shades are super nice and pigmented, and the shimmer shades are actually really, really nice as well. I have been feeling lately that I have a lot of the products we've been receiving. Like last month we got the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries, well, a variation of Dose of Colors palettes, and I do have most of them, so I kind of feel like I would be okay not receiving some of these stuff. So I actually thought about canceling my Boxycharm, but I have FOMO. So I am going to give this box a few more months to see if I want to keep it or not. It did go up in price, and also the value will go up as well. So I want to see what other stuff they come out in the box in the next few months to see if I should just cancel it, because again, this palette would have been nice if I didn't have the actual palette. The Dose of Colors shade that I got, I could pass on. These brushes seem okay. This one I think is most exciting, and possibly these as well, but again, I don't really use a lot of eye masks. I just have FOMO, you know, like one day I will cancel and then there's like good stuff coming out. Actually, I kind of feel like I should have upgraded to the premium box, because they had a lot of good stuff in that. So that one is $35 a month. Let me know if you have the regular box or the premium or the Boxy Luxe. Do you guys like upgrade to the high one? Because I have never upgraded to the most expensive one. But let me know what you guys think. Is it worth keeping the regular box, or is it worth like upgrading my box? Definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.